Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we're going to be doing our U96 build. So we are going to do issue 44 of Build the U96. Working on something completely different this week for some reason. We are going to be working on the attack Periscope, which actually is going to be working on the model, so you will be able to see it go up and down, which I'm really quite interested, because you know I love it when it comes to electrics. And I think after the couple of issues ago where we had to put everything together, yeah, there was a lot to do. Anyway, let's get started today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so issue 44 is Attack Periscope. Now, remember last time when we were working on this, I wondered why a screw hadn't been put in there, so I actually put a screw in there. Would you believe it? The first two instructions for this stage is putting a screw in there, then flipping it over and putting a screw in there. So, yeah, I was correct that a screw needed to go in there. These are EP screws which they provided. So I don't know what went on in the manufacturing process there, but yeah. So I'll show putting this in. You've got to be very careful because I don't want to break anything. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so that is done. Right, now we can move on to our attack periscope. So we need to take this piece here, which they're calling the rack, and we need to take this sort of spring here. What it wants us to do, it wants us to put this onto the end here. I'm just going to go to the build camera so you can see a bit nearer. So it just simply says twist on until flush. Okay, just like so. Right, next what we need to do is we need to add this small piece to the other end of the spring, and again it's just a case of twisting it on, and that's gone on nice and easily just like that. Okay, and then on the other end of this spring it wants us to place this in, and this is just a clip. So I just use my desk there, and that's now clipped into place. Right, so next we've got this really long shaft here. Now what it wants us to do is it wants us to place this in, but with this being a moving part, I'm going to put some grease in the channels here, just so it's got a bit of movement, and I'll also put some grease on the cogs as well. I have been seeing a few people's where theirs is not going up or retracting properly, so, and this is a grease designed for plastics. It's really good stuff. Got this off eBay. Okay, so I need to do the other side of this, which is here. So it's just precaution, is this, more than anything. I want it to run nice and smoothly. Okay, and then I'm just going to get some kitchen roll, paper towel, depends where you are in the world, and just clean off any excess. Do the same on this one. Okay. Then I'm also, like I said, I'm going to put some on the cogs. This mechanism as well. Better than it not running smoothly and me not having to take it apart. And even though you don't get a lot of this grease, but what you do get goes quite a long way. Okay, so that's applied. Brilliant. So, what we need to do is we need to put this into here. And just move that. You can see what I'm doing. Okay. Then I can put the lid on. That spring doesn't want to stay where I want it to. Just need to push that in. Now we have got some clips, this clips into, and we've also got some screws as well to put in. So we need 2 AP screws. So I'm literally just holding this as it is. So one in. Does it matter which way they go in? Probably. So they've got it around like that. So one in there. And then one just down there. Okay. And that's all put together. So that is all there is to do in this issue. So yeah, I mean, I can sort of move that up and down. And that is running quite freely. So putting that grease in was a very, very good idea. I'm chuffed with that. So that is issue 44 complete. Well guys, that's it for our U96. That was a very therapeutic build actually. I really enjoyed it. And just using that grease, I've probably gone on about it enough. It's just making sure that everything is going to run smoothly. And I don't have to take things apart. Now, I know we are working on quite a bit of the electrics for the next few issues. So we've got motors and all sorts coming along. So that should be fun. I love a bit of electrics. But I do like the fiddly work as well, because I think the attention to detail on this build is amazing. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.